welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be checking out two requests I got on the video of Our Last Night's cover of Middle of the Night. I got two requests for two more covers of the same song, so I figured I'd put them together in the same video. I'm assuming both of these are going to be rock or metal covers, judging from the thumbnails, but I could be wrong. I don't know anything about these two bands or artists, so I'm just going to let it surprise me. I'll start off with the cover by Loveless. This one was suggested by Adam, and then I'll move on to the version by Rain Paris, suggested by Elena. So first one, let's go. Very nice voice. It's actually kind of similar to Our Last Night's version. Also kind of like a post-hardcore sound with clean, high vocals, you know. Just like Matt from Our Last Night. It's a nice voice, man. I already said it, but it's like a really good voice for this kind of post-hardcore. It's just a really catchy melody, the song in general. Even though I didn't like the original that much, but you know, making a rock cover or a metal cover of this, it's easily made so much better. I mean, for bands like Our Last Night and also Loveless, it's such a good song to make a melodic, catchy rock version of. It's what Our Last Night always does, especially in choruses of pop songs, and you know, these guys have done a great job as well. I actually thought it was pretty similar to Our Last Night's version, just without the screaming, but very nice clean vocals. I also liked the heavier, genty part near the end, you know, just giving the song a little more heaviness, so yeah, I liked it. I'm not sure if this band is known for doing covers like this, or if they also have a lot of their own material. Let me know, and also let me know if you want me to check out more of their stuff. So yeah, that was number one, cover number one. So let's move on to the next one, which is Middle of the Night by Rain Paris.
I summoned you, please come to me. Don't bury thoughts that you
That's already sounding very different from Loveless and Our Last Night's version. Again, nice voice. Again, sounding kind of like a post-hardcore version.
These burning flames, these crashing waves wash over me like a hurricane. I'll captivate, you'll hypnotize, feel powerful, but it's me again. Come, lay me down, 'cause I know that
Nice heavy riffs. I mean, this part of the song is always gonna be good and super catchy, no matter who does it. What is this instrument playing right now? Is it? It's not like an acoustic guitar, I believe. I don't know what it is. Alright, also a really good version. I mean, both of these were great. Definitely. Alright. So, apparently Rain Paris is the full band, but actually only one person. I didn't look that up before. Same with Loveless. I don't know if she's known for doing covers like this, or if she usually writes her own music. But it was good. When it comes to the musical style of this one, it sounded like post-hardcore, you know, just like Our Last Night's version and Loveless's version. The obvious difference is, of course, the female singer, which is a nice switch up from the other two. Really nice voice. If I had to make a top 3 of the 3 covers I've heard, it would probably be Loveless at number 3, Rain Paris at 2, and I think still Our Last Night number 1. But maybe I'm a little bit biased towards Our Last Night just because they will always be the masters of pop covers to me. But still, all 3 were great nonetheless. So thank you so much, Elena and Adam, for these 2 suggestions. Really like them both. Thanks to everyone for watching. If you have more suggestions for reactions, whether it's from these 2 artists or something completely different, please let me know in the comments, and I hope to see you soon.